Press stop button. PDF Shaper.
Good afternoon, this is Joseph speaking. Now I'm going to do a presentation on how to use PDF Shaper to extract the plain text out of a PDF file. Now before I do that, I'm going to tell you you can actually get this program from the following site, http://www.pdfshaper.com. That's http://www.pdfshaper.com. PDF Shaper has three different editions: a free version, a premium version, and a professional version, which is the one I'm using to do this demonstration with. Now, this function I'm going to be describing about can be done with all three of the editions: free, premium, and pro. So basically, all the menus are accessible with NVDA, which is what I'm using to do this demonstration with. And to bring up the main menu, or to bring up the series of menus involved, you press Alt F as in File. And when you do that, you hear this.
PDF to TXTD.
Now, the first thing you hear is PDF to TXTD. Now, that's a shortcut key too. So at this point, I could either press D as in Delta, or I could press the Enter key. If I want to navigate the menu, I would press the up and down arrow keys. And when I press the up and down arrow keys, you hear stuff like this.
PDF to Image F. Image to PDFi. PDF to RTFT.
There's a few of the functions that are accessible by the menu, but all the stuff is accessible. So I just thought I'd do this to, just show you a few of the things, how you can navigate. Now, since I want to do PDF to TXT, I can either hit D or scroll back up to where until I hear PDF to TXT. So you can use shortcut keys if you like, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use the up arrow key and scroll back up until I hear PDF to TXT and press Enter on it. So I do it thus.
Image to PDFi. PDF to Image F. PDF to TXTD.
Now I press Enter here.
PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional. Tab Control. Files tab selected.
Now, since I used the professional version, it actually spoke the version I used of the program. If you were using the free version, it would say PDF Shaper Free. Now, basically, it said, let's see.
Files tab selected.
Files tab selected. Now,
Options tab selected.
there's
Files
different
tab selected.
tabs. There's Files,
Options tab selected.
Yeah, there's
Files
Files and Options. Under the Options tab here,
Options tab selected.
we've got, you press Tab to navigate between the right arrow and left arrow.
Files tab
Will
selected.
navigate you between the tabs.
Options tab selected.
Since I have the Options tab selected, to navigate between these controls, you'd hit the Tab key.
Options property page. Preserve text layout checkbox checked.
And you have Preserve Text Layout checked, which is by default,
Options tab selected.
and the Options tab again.
Options property page. Preserve options tab selected.
So I go back to
Files tab selected.
tab, and I press Tab here,
Files property page. List.
and this is Files Properties, and then List.
Files tab selected. Files property page. List.
Now here is where you can actually do one of two things. You can paste a file that you have on the clipboard, or you press the Alt key
File submenu
to
Alt
bring up
plus
the
F.
menu, and you have File submenu. You have
New CTRL plus NN.
New,
Open. CTRL
Open.
plus OO. Save. CTRL
Save.
plus SS. Process. F9 key.
Process F9. That's a shortcut there.
Exit E.
Exit E.
New CTRL plus NN.
So I'm going to hit Escape to get back out of this.
File submenu Alt plus F. PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional. Tab Control. Files property page. Files tab selected. Files property page. List.
Okay, now that I know that the process key is F9, since I already have a file copied to clipboard, which is my Kyocera Kona manual I'm going to use for this example, I'm going to paste it here in the list box with Control V as in Victor. Now after I do that, I just do an insert up arrow to have it say line for NVDA.
Top blank. Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG.pdf
I just
size.
pressed the down arrow right
1281
now,
kilobytes. Pages.
and I see it.
97. Path. O backslash Joe's files backslash Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG.pdf.
Now when I did a down arrow, it actually spoke the file name that's in the thing. Now that's in the queue to be processed. Now, since I have a file in there, some of the things that also when you press the Alt key now, after you've got a file in there,
File submenu Alt plus F.
There's a file submenu.
Edit submenu
Or
Alt plus
edit.
E. Help submenu
Help.
Alt plus E. System submenu space.
System.
Help edit submenu Alt
Under
plus E.
the
File
file,
submenu
now
new
we've got
CTRL plus N
new,
exit.
exit.
Process F9 save C open CTR new CTRL open exit.
Now under the
Paste
edit menu,
CTRL
we've
plus
got
VP.
paste,
Remove delete.
remove,
Move down CTRL plus
down,
move up
move
CT
up.
preview F4R.
preview F4. So if you wanted to actually preview what the text would look like, you would press the F4 key or go through the edit menu and go up to preview. Now,
Info F3I.
info will tell you about the file name,
Preview info F3I.
which is F3 or the letter I in this menu.
Select all CTRL plus AS.
Select all is self-explanatory.
Add files
Add
CTRL plus
files is
DS.
self-explanatory.
Paste CTRL plus VP.
Paste is self-explanatory. So
Edit submenu Alt plus E.
I'm going to escape out of this edit menu.
PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional. Tab Control. Files Property. Top. Kyocera underscore.
Okay, now that I have that listed, if I wanted to preview this to see what it looks like in advance, I'd press the F4 key, which I'm going to do just for this demonstration so you can hear what happens. I press F4 and I get this. Okay.
Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG dot PDF size. 1.
I press the F4 key and it doesn't do nothing. So I'll have to go back into the edit menu
File sub edit sub menu. Paste CTR. Add
Go down
files.
to
Select all
preview.
CTR info F3 preview F4R.
and press enter out here.
O backslash Joe's files backslash Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG dot PDF. Pane.
Now let's see what happens when I use up and down arrow.
Pane. 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 Pane.
That's weird.
Pane. Pane.
NVDA just says pane.
Pane. Pane. Pane.
I guess this portion,
Combo box fit width collapsed. Pane.
when I hit tab I hear
Combo box fit width
fit
collapsed.
with collapsed,
Pane.
pane.
Pane. Pane. Combo box fit width collapsed. Pane. 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 Pane.
So apparently this point isn't NVDA
Pane.
friendly, unfortunately.
Pane. Pane. Pane.
But,
Pane.
fiddlesticks.
O backslash Joe's pane. Pane.
So I have to Alt F4 out of this.
PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Kyocera underscore Kona.
Now that I've got... Now that's what... Now if it were working right, you'd actually see the text, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, in this preview mode. But now I'm going to hit the F9 to process this, to actually get the text extracted and see what NVDA tells me at this point. So I'm going to press F9 here.
Select folder dialog. Folder. Edit.
Now I
Blank.
get a select folder. Now for this demonstration, I've created a folder on my C drive called Output. So I'm going to tab over to the Output folder on my C drive.
Select folder button. Cancel button. Address. Libraries backslash documents toolbar. Desktop split button.
Actually, I'm going to go into my documents.
Search box edit. Address. Libraries backslash documents toolbar. Desktop split button.
Yeah, I'm going to go into my C drive here. Now,
Search box edit. Command. Namespace 3 control 3 view.
to get to my output folder that I mentioned earlier, I press L for local disk C.
L local disk C. Collapsed 1 of
And
8 level
hit the
2.
right arrow.
Expanded.
Hit O
46
for
items.
output.
O level 3 output 25
Space
space.
bar to select that folder. Tab over.
Items view list folder. Edit selected output. Select folder button.
And then tab over to select folder button. Press space bar.
Space PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional. PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional files. 1C backslash output process initiated. Edit multi-line. File number 10 backslash Joe's files backslash Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG dot PDF.
And it said process initiated. And then it beeped again.
Done.
And it's done.
Blank. Done. Blank.
It said,
Save in C backslash
it
output
said
loading.
save, it
Okay.
said loading OK.
Save in C backslash output
then you can
backslash
see the
Kyocera
messages.
unload.
And
Blank.
it says
Process initiated.
process initiated.
Blank. File number 1.
File number 1.
O backslash Joe's files
And it
backslash
spoke
loading.
the path.
Okay.
Loading OK.
Save in C backslash output
Saving.
backslash Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG dot TXT. Oh, blank.
And it said OK.
Done.
Done.
Blank. Done. Blank.
So
Blank.
now
Advanced
I
button.
can
Open button.
close it.
PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional files. 1C backslash output
So
advanced
now-
button.
I could
Open button.
I can hit Alt F4 to just to verify. I can hit Alt F4 to close out of this, or I can press O, or I can tab over to hit O for open,
PD open button.
and I get this.
Output. Items view list 2018-03-08 underscore 15-51-00 not selected 1 of 2.
Now it opened it and tabbed me. It actually opened the folder where I saved the file. So I find the text file by hitting up and down arrow key at this point because I'm in the folder.
Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG 2 of 2. Top. Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG 2018-03-08 underscore 15-51-00 1 of 2.
So now to verify if this is a TXT
Kyocera
file
underscore
or
Kona
not
underscore UG 2
on
of
this first one, I have to press
Kyocera
Alt Enter at this point for properties.
Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG properties dialog. General property page type of file. Text document. .txt. Open output.
Okay.
Items view list. Kyocera
And
underscore.
since that's the text file, If I press enter at this point, it would open the text file in Notepad. Just to preview it here.
Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG. Notepad. Edit multi-line. Available applications table of contents.
And there's the text.
Land.
And here's a little segment from the top.
Available applications and services are subject to change at any time. Table of contents. Land. Get start your phone at a glance 1.
Okay, so that concludes that.
Output items view list. Kyocera underscore Kona underscore UG 202. PDF to TXT. PDF Shaper Professional. Open button.
Close this. With Alt F4.
Tools. PDF Shaper Virtual Record Server 3 NV text allowed icon 1 of 6. PDF Shaper Professional. PDF Shaper Professional.
So now I'm going to exit it by going Alt F.
PDF to TXTD.
Up once to exit. Or I can press letter E in this point. But since I went up once and exit's highlighted, I'll press enter.
Text allowed. Tab control. Edit. Virtual Record Server 3 NV text allowed icon 1 of 5. Text allowed.
Close
Tab.
that.
Virtual Recorder dialog. Stop button.
Well, folks, this completes the demonstration on how to use PDF Shaper to convert a PDF document to TXT. If you have any future questions, you may contact the developer at support@burnaware.com. If you want to leave me feedback, you can leave me a Twitter at JOEWEAKLAND1027 or send me an email with JOSEPHWEAKLAND@att.net. And if you follow me on Anchor, you can leave me an Anchor call-in or voice message on there at Anchor at http://anchor.fm/JOSEPHWEAKLAND, where you can follow me and hear my other podcasts on Anchor. Thank you for listening, and have yourself an awesome day. Bye-bye.